Hi there, and welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince, EE6LK. Today with me is my super special guest, Chris Brinson, KD2YDN. Now, you may know Chris because of his YouTube channel that I've linked down below, KD2YDN Rock and Radio. You may know him because he loves doing soda. Chris licensed 3, 4 years ago. He's been doing CW for about half that time, and he has fallen in love with it because it's less is more for him, which is great when it comes to things like how much does the equipment weigh and how much do you need to carry with you. So all those things are awesome. Chris, thanks for being here, part of the project. What's your one best CW tip for a new operator?
I would say make it supplemental to other hobbies as well. So if you like running, get a small CW kit, get a cue on the way. If you like hiking, that small kit, do the same thing. Make it supplemental. It could be a part of everything you're doing. It's a lot of fun.
Chris, that is awesome. What a great way to adjunct other hobbies. Ham radio adjacent, I think somebody called it. Thanks for being here, part of the project. 73.
73.